Wondering what benefits do businesses get when they sign up for gotomyerp dedicated servers? Here are 4 reasons to convince you why investing in gotomyerp is the best business decision you will ever make. Right from the get-go, gotomyerp does not charge for setup. This alone can potentially save thousands of dollars. Secondly, we take care of all your server maintenance, backup, and upgrade needs, removing these tasks from your local IT department for further savings. Third, a dedicated server ensures your own private and secure cloud hosting environment, meaning no chance of your precious data getting into unwanted hands. Fourth, your data in your own dedicated servers provide optimal performance for your operations, enabling your business to grow without hold. Ready to take your business to the next level with dedicated server hosting from gotomyerp? We are at your service. Sign up online today or call us